If it's time to have your carpets cleaned and you're looking for a certified professional to clean them for you, the easiest way to find a certified firm is to go to the Iicrc website. You'll see when you search for it, you have the option to click on Locate an Iicrc Certified Pro. Click on that link and then select the United States. Scroll down just a little bit more and then click on Locate a Certified Firm. Now you have two options. You can either enter your location or you could do it based on your address. I recommend using the starting address feature. I'm going to use our address for an example. Once you enter all your information, scroll down and click on Continue. The website will now give you every certified firm within 15 miles of the address you entered. When you scroll down, you'll see AmeriClean Inc. right there on the top. You can click on the View My Profile and it will tell you a little bit more about AmeriClean. If you'd like to head to our website, simply click on Visit Our Website. If you have any questions about the Iicrc certified services that we perform, please feel free to reach out to our office at 219-942-8100.